What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over my friend Turbo. Currently, we're in a juicy trade. Nice push the last few days. Sitting at 0.01306, up 20% on the day. Market cap 854 million. 24 volume 606 million. We are currently in a trade for Turbo. If you want my trade signals completely for free, just hang around to the end of the video. So nice impulse to the upside. We do have a 5-way move, but of course it's a bull market. Anything can happen. It can go parabolic at any time. But if we were to pull back from here, you would look for a bounce in between 0.0079 and 0.0099. Now, if I zoom out a bit, our larger target, if we were to just explode from here, go parabolic, our way through target's up here at 0.0238. So we've been seeing an absolutely incredible move for Turbo. I was lucky enough to get in on this correction here. So I'm already up on Turbo about a 2x. So pretty happy with that so far. But what we're looking for now is to push up in that larger wave 3 all the way up to 0.023. So we've broken into the 1 cent range, and now we want to push up into the 2 cent range for our friend Turbo. But in the short term, if we were to pull back, as we're seeing in the rest of the market, then you look for bounce between 0.0079, 0.0099. But of course, I can't promise that because we are seeing a nice push, and Turbo's basically going against the rest of the market, and the rest of these meme coins, as you can see, are seeing nice pullbacks. Incredible opportunity to get into crypto if you're not already. Highly suggest dollar cost averaging. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, as well as seeing what I'm invested in and when I take profits, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. This will take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. It's available worldwide. Once you sign up, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. And then send me email. That's all you have to do. And you'll get direct access to my crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups. Recently took profits on Matic. We're in trades for Turbo, Ethereum, and my Forex signals, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. You really can't beat it. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. Literally takes 30 seconds, and send me email, and you're good to go. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.